Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is your daily update for Bitcoin. What's happening for the day, what's happening with my trade, what's happening with the long position. And guys, yes, I took a little bit profit here, but I will show you what's the next thing. Should we wait for the next pump to the upside or should we go out of the trade? What is happening now? We will check this now together, guys. Let's go. Here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant with the daily analysis. And yes, we are starting with a short overview here on CoinMarketCap. What's going on? Bitcoin is going up 10% in the plus for 24 hours. Really nice. 8.8% in 7 days. And look at this. Ethereum is growing 7.7% in 24 hours. But on the week, it's growing 16%. It's the double of Bitcoin. It's better for the moment to trade Ethereum as Bitcoin. That's really awesome for Ethereum. All coins, or the most coins, are here green, and that's really nice. We have a nice day. We have a nice pump day. Look at this, 9% Cardano, Solana 10%. I have a really nice video out there for ADA, Cardano, and for Solana. Please watch it. XRP is mooning, Terra Luna is mooning, Polkadot, Dogecoin. All coins are mooning, really nice. The Bitcoin dominance is about 41.3%, and the Ethereum dominance is at 18.9%. If we're watching this picture, what can we see? Yes, we saw a nice jump to the upside, a nice parallel channel. After this, a little parallel channel to the downside, the red one, and here the death cross. What happened? I told you yesterday, attention, we are on the bottom of the little downtrend. Maybe this is the time for Bitcoin for a nice pump or for a nice pump. Here is the market cap, not the volume, the market cap for Bitcoin. And yes, we saw a really nice pump to the upside. So for the moment, we have here a light downgoing parallel channel and a bigger upgoing parallel channel. The big question is, can we stay in the uptrend or will we lose it and will we go down again? We will need to check this. I will make an update every day for this one, guys. Now let's check the next thing. What's going on here for CoinCodex, the price prediction. And it was not so bad in the last times, guys. We can see for the moment, the next 7 days maybe are going sideways a little bit. Maybe sideways a little bit, no big pump, no big dump to the downside. We have fear in the market. We can see it here with the fear and greed index, and the sentiment is neutral, but we are bullish with 59% and bearish only with 41%. What can we see here? The SMAs, the EMAs are buy on buy. Most of this are telling us yes, buy. That's really nice. So support lines to the downside. If we will go down, we have 38,500, 35,500, and 34,000 with the biggest strengths. To the downside, that's the pivot point number 3. To the upside, resistance is 43, 190, 44,700, and 47,800. That's the biggest resistance for the moment with the most strengths. If we are watching the forecast for the next 7 days, we can see, okay, it's going sideways a little bit, a little up, a little down. It will maybe not change too much. We have to watch, guys. We have to watch. This is telling us CoinCodex, the price prediction. Now, here is Coin 360, and that's a really nice picture. I love it. Everything is green. We have some dark green coins here, like NEAR, like R-Line, like Leo and AXS and so on. But the most coins here are in a nice green position, guys. I'm showing you this every day in a 10-minute short video on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter, with the support and resistance levels. And if you watch this 10 seconds video, you are up to date. You can see, okay, where are my next targets? Where are the next resistances, support lines, and what's going on with the crypto coins? What coin is mooning for the moment, or what coin is going down? You have a short overview every day with this short video from Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, on these platforms like YouTube and so on. So now let's move on to the next thing. Here is now our analysis. We are checking now the lines. You can see for the moment, these are the lines, not the candlesticks. What happened? My video yesterday was perfect. The name was the confirmed breakout. And yes, it was a confirmed breakout to the upside. We hit it perfectly. We hit it really perfectly. And we are here now on the daily time frame. So let's check the next one in the candles. We saw this lowering broadening wedge and a really perfect breakout here from this point up to a perfect target. I predicted this target yesterday. Attention, the Fibonacci line 0.236, a price about 41,400. And what happened? Yes, a perfect hit. We are now on the price about 41,400, 500. It was perfect. So big question is now, what's next? In my opinion, I took a little bit profit here from my long position, because I'm a little bit afraid. We are fighting now with our Fibonacci line, and we will go a little bit deeper soon here, and I will show you where is, in my opinion, the next big problem. First of all, we saw here a nice breakout of this lowering broadening wedge. That's the really good stuff. We have now on the 1 day time frame a little parallel channel to the upside, a green one. You can see it here, guys. Nice. It's really nice. And the bigger stuff, the better stuff, what I can show you, the next light of the end of the tunnel, is this one. We saw a parallel channel to the downside, a bad red one, this one. So since long time ago, since November 2021, we saw this parallel channel to the downside, and now what's happening? We broke out to the upside perfectly. Now confirmed on the daily, a confirmed breakout to the upside with a nice little parallel channel. Everything is fine, everything is okay. We have our next targets to the upside. I showed you this. We have the 46,600 as bigger target to the upside. That's the 0.382 Fibonacci line. So everything is good. Everything is fine for the moment on the daily time frame. Now, let's check the next stuff. What happened with the MA20? Special greetings to Tom Crown. He showed us the MA20, and now I have to watch it also because it's really interesting. MA20. Let me check this one. The style should be a wide one. Visibility. Let me show you this one. MA. Where it is, then here it is. Notice the line. Here's the color. White, okay. And fat, okay. And that's not the MA20. No, that's the MA9. I have to change this also. So give me a second. Length 20, and here we are. Yes, that it is. Guys, this is a really important MA moving average because we saw here a downgoing white line. It was our resistance. We saw here the Christmas wonder, the falls out, the trap to the upside, and after this we went down again under the MA20, and we saw a lot of fights with the MA20, and now, yes, we are back with the MA20. That makes me a little bit positive about these things because we broke the downtrend channel, we broke the MA20, and yes, we are now fighting with the next Fibonacci line. But, you know it, guys, there's always a but. Watch this. This was a really nice fake out, 51,000. This is the 0.5 Fibonacci line. And we can see it. It's Bitcoin is reacting perfectly on these Fibonacci lines. This was a fight here, the Christmas fight. After this, we went down again. So maybe we are fighting now with our Fibonacci line. Maybe we will lose the fight and maybe we will go down again. So that's one of the reasons why I took a little bit profit here on this point. Remember, next targets to the upside. I can show you 0.5, 51,000, and the 46,600 is the 0.382 Fibonacci, and the fight for the moment 41,500, 0.236 Fibonacci. So, okay, that's not all. That's the daily time frame. I have more information here for you. We need to watch more. Let's go deeper. Let's go in the 1 hour time frame. That's the most important thing for the moment. And you can see, yes, guys, we are fighting perfectly with this line, with this Fibonacci. And what can we see? The MA20 is here as a support. The support is coming from the downside, and this is a thing. We have not much time. I think in the next few hours we will see here the fight will come to an end, and I think we will see a move to the upside or to the downside. That's the big question now. Our support lines are coming from the downside. Our resistances are coming from the upside. We have here the end of the parallel channel to the upside to watch. That's this this line here on the upside. And we have the Fibonacci line. So watch this one here. This is really important because that's the end of the parallel channel. That's the next resistance. We saw a hit here on this point, and the big question is, can we move over this? Yes or no? I can't predict the future, but it's really hard for the moment, I think. And the next big thing, what is really necessary to watch, is the RSI. So, Relative Strength Index. Why it is so necessary? Because we can see an overbought RSI. This is dangerous. And that's one of the reasons why I took a little bit profit here, and I will watch what's going on again. And guys, I can show you one thing that's really important. And on the RSI, first let me show you the moving average. Here it is. Moving average is going down. We saw the cross here, and on this point I took a little bit profit because of this bad MACD cross and an overbought RSI, and that makes me a little bit nervous. You can see the sell signal here on my live stream. Also, I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. YouTube, Twitch, the name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and yes, you can see there everything, every signal. And I use this sell signal here for a little taking profit here. I can go back in again, it's not a big problem, but little profit is little profit. And one thing that makes me a little bit nervous is the RSI. So let me show you this one. Let's remove the MACD and let me show you the RSI, because this line to the upside is a big support. What will happen if we will lose this support? I think we will see maybe a bigger dump to the downside, because we will lose the support line for the RSI, we will lose the MA20, and we will lose our Fibonacci line. And that's a really big thing for the moment for me for watching this chart picture. Okay, now let me check here the EMA ribbon band, and you can see this is also a nice support. Yes, but it's coming from the downside, and it will show us, okay, we need here a reaction. We need here a pump to the upside or a dump into the ribbon band. And that's the big thing what I will watch about in the next few hours here. I think, yes, we will see here really, really soon a price to the upside or to the downside. So now let me show you the 50-minute time frame before we end this stuff. It's too long for today. Sorry, guys, not long. I will end the video soon. But if you're watching the 50-minute time frame, it's also really important to watch this. Why? We are fighting with the ribbon band. You can see the pressure from the downside. We are fighting with this. We are fighting with the MA20. And what else can we see? Yes, we are building a next little pattern, a little triangle, something like this one here. So that means I think we will see the next decision here really, really soon. If we are changing into the lines, we can draw it like this one, and we can draw it like, oh, not to this point, like this one. So in my opinion, we will see here the decision to the upside or to the downside. Let me show you maybe in the next few hours, because we can go up here, we can down, up and down. And I think in the next few hours, I think, yes, in the next 4 or 5 hours, we will see here the next big move to the upside, to the downside. Be prepared, guys, be prepared. Everything is here, ribbon band is here, MA20 is here. So this is the big thing now for the moment. Maybe we can break up to the upside. Maybe we can go up to 42,300, but here is a really big resistance because it's the end of the parallel channel. And if we will go down again, guys, yes, we need to watch. It's not the biggest thing if you're going down. We have an overbought RSI. We have here the EMA 200 yellow line, and we have the middle line of this parallel channel. Maybe we are going down a little bit, taking deep breaths again, and after this, the next move to the upside. So my bigger moves here are maybe 39,800, and after this 42,300 maybe, or first 42,300, then we're going down. And you can see we have big targets to the upside and also big target to the downside. And if we are drawing our little Fibonacci here, you can see the fight here perfectly 0.786 Fibonacci. And maybe after this, we can go up to 43,300. This would be great, but we need to watch again. So that's the big update for the day. It's too long, sorry, 13 minutes. Yes, it was so much to tell you guys, because all informations are so important, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Sorry for my bad English. I'm learning it. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.